How to use Google Assistant option on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on Google. So after click on Google, click on all services. So after click on all service, scroll down and you will see now in setting for Google Apps. Scroll down and click on search assistant and voice. So after click on search assistant and voice, scroll down and click on Google Assistant. So after click on Google Assistant, scroll down and click on general. So after click on general, now here showing you assistant, Google Assistant. So you will turn on or turn off Google Assistant from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can Google Assistant setting on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.